The earthly journey of Queen Elizabeth II has ended, and so has her reign as sovereign of the United Kingdom for 70 years. She presided during this period with remarkable acuity in the transition from empire to a commonwealth which now encompasses every continent. No one can question her total dedication to duty and the strength of spirit she exuded, whether in times of peril to the British nation or incidents of turmoil within her own family. During the past 60 years of Jamaica's independence, she has been our constitutional head of state and made manifest her fondness for our island during many memorable visits. As one who had the honor for 14 years of being among her many prime ministers, I will always remember her insightful discussions and incisive wit. She was graceful, astute, and compassionate. Her name will never be obliterated from the annals of human history because of her critical role and unique style in ensuring that process of evolution and those constant measures of transformation which have characterized the Second Elizabethan era. At this time of mourning such a monumental loss, our sympathy is extended to King Charles III, the entire royal family, as well as her beloved United Kingdom and Commonwealth in this veil of sadness.